Hey, what's up guys? Guys with CALI Rebuildables. We are back with the spark. I received today both of the sensors, OEM sensors, Macy Delco, and I already installed the crankshaft position sensor, the one that goes right there. And this is the one that I removed. I don't know how they're supposed to look when they're bad, but the scanner, the code scanner was telling me about it, so it must be bad. A different sensor, the knock sensor, also arrived. This is it. So I got both of them today. I replaced, like I told you guys, the crankshaft position sensor. Now I'm looking for the knock sensor. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna make the car start, but like I told you, I had those two codes, so I still needed to change them. And these ones were, I believe this was like $30, $29, the knock sensor, and this was $49. Well, not this one, the new one was $49. And I went to my local AutoZone and O'Reilly's, and they had to order it, and it was gonna be $117, I believe, for this one, and it wasn't gonna be the OEM. So I got this one, like I said, not this one, the new one, for $49 on eBay, and it arrived like, I don't know, four days. I don't know how long it took for them to arrive, but it arrived pretty quick. So, and it's the original one, so it's a lot better. That one was $49, the other one was $30, like I told you guys, so it was a pretty good deal. So yeah, let me see if I can find where this one goes on the Chevy Spark. I had to remove that. I didn't have to remove it, but that was gonna make it a lot easier for me to work. So yeah, I also ordered the starter. The starter is down. You guys won't be able to see it, but it's down there. So I'm waiting for that to arrive also. Back with the Chevy Spark. This is the starter that it had, and we tested it and it was no good. It was just making that click, but it wasn't turning. So this is no good. I ordered a new, well, not a new one, a used one from eBay. It's advertised as in working condition, so you know, as long as it works, I'm cool with it. This was $60. If I were to order a new one, so I think it was gonna be like $300. So you know, $60. I'd rather lose $60 and find out, you know, if it works or not. And if it does, then you know, whatever it lasts me, I'll know for sure it's the starter, and then I could make the bigger investment of buying a new one. So I'm gonna try this out, and it's really difficult, guys, to go on there to try to change it, because it goes all the way down back there. So I mean, you can't do it from the top. I mean, you know, the way I did it was from the bottom. Got two jack stands and a jack in the middle, so I'm pretty sure I'm okay. But I don't know if you guys could see it, but it goes right there somewhere. Yeah, right there. So let me try if I could put it back in, and hopefully I could get it started. I replaced already that sensor. That was the crankshaft sensor. I can't find the the knock sensor anywhere. I've been looking online all over, and I can't find where the knock sensor is. So I'm gonna probably have to take that to a shop to get that thing located and replaced. So yeah, guys, let me see if I could get the starter back in. There's the facade. Fender looks nice, guys. Waiting on the mirror and the glass. Okay, guys, so I'm underneath the Chevy Spark. I just removed the oil pan, as you can see. So I really don't know that much about mechanic. I really don't know at all, nothing at all. So I'm having a mechanic come and check it out tomorrow morning. By the time you guys see the video, it might have been here already. But there's something I want to show you guys. Let me get my flashlight. I don't know if you guys can see right here where my finger's at, the wall. See how clean it is? And I don't know if you can see that. Like dust. It's like aluminum dust. And it keeps on getting worse down this side. Well, this one's the worst one. It's like I don't know if it's like aluminum, or I don't know, some kind of see. I wiped it with my finger, and you could actually remove that. So I don't know if it's I don't know what that is. Honestly, it's more on this side. See there? See that wall right here? It's pretty clean. That one too. But look at that one. That guys, look. It feels like dust, like really thin dust. So like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm having somebody check it out tomorrow. So, some of you might know already by just watching this what might be the problem. But it seems to be more intense on this one. I guess it says let me see, they got numbers. That one's got a 1, one's got a 2. I don't know if you see the 2 right there, or the 12. I really have no idea, but I do see a 1 right here. 1. It's got a 2 right there. That one's got a 3. That one's got a 4 right there. And that one's got a 5. So this one between 5 and 4 is the one that's worst. This one's got just a bit. No, this one doesn't have that much. That one doesn't have that much, but this one does. So I'm thinking this one's the one with the problem. I don't know what kind of problem it is, but something is wrong with this one. So just want to let you guys what's up with the Chevy Spark, what's happening. Today's Friday, so tomorrow Saturday. I'm having the mechanic coming, and he's gonna bring an auto electrician with him. So, but I think it's mechanically. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's happening with the Chevy Spark. And see you guys in the next video.